When I open Share folder, oh, I cannot access. It's appear restoring network connections error message. Okay, I will try again. Now, another message appeared that you can't access this shared folder because blah 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 blah. Okay, I will show you how to solve this problem, so you need to watch the video till the end. Press Windows key plus R. And then type regedit and click OK. If user account control box appear, click Yes. Expand H key local machine in the registry editor. And go to Software and Expand. Then go to Policies. Expand Policies and click Microsoft. And go to Windows. Expand Windows and find Landmon Workstation. If you don't find Landmon Workstation, right-click Windows and choose Key. Rename the folder to Landmon Workstation. And then right-click on Landmon Workstation. Choose New, then choose Word 32-bit value. Type Allow Insecure Guest Off. Double-click on it and then value data number change to 1. Click OK. Close and restart your computer. After restart your computer, open this PC and check the shared folder can open or not. Finally, I can open the shared folder. Thanks for watching.